In May, members of the 106 Medical Group completed their military facility annual training with the Air Force's 673rd Medical Group at Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson in Anchorage, Alaska. Bioenvironmental engineering specialists completed shop visits, the dental team trained with the 673rd's dental clinic, flight surgeons were hands-on with water survival and conduct after capture training, and the combat medics completed rotations at Elmendorf Hospital and trained through multiple scenarios with medical simulation mannequins.
The scenario in the woods was a victim that was hit with an IED and was found face down, was actively bleeding. There was noise, there was smoke, and the medics had to come with their weapons and secure the area and then resuscitate the patient.
If you got an opportunity to do this and get your hands on, I highly suggest doing it, because you're not going to get it from reading a paper and going through your checklists and stuff like that.
What's the matter?
Your patient is dying!
When we're exposed to these environmental stressors, it helps us to realize how we respond in these types of situations.
Hey, you okay?
So there was a simulation that was set up to be in a field tent or a field hospital, and in there were set up, a model was set up with certain arrhythmias, cardiac heart abnormalities that the medics had to respond to.
I'm going down the spine, feeling for step-ups and deformities while also looking for holes and sources of bleeding.
The goal of all of our trainings is to be ready to get out the door and to provide medical support to our fellow airmen. And it's been very productive, and I think we are all at a higher level of readiness.